Yeah, stand down for the best now. Take my time, you better pay up in the next stop. Throw a rollie with a iced out, turned out. I see when the time's out, get my burst out. Fucking time's out. Oh yeah, now you over me. Got no kids, got me dead.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the BrokeKids channel. It's another day and another mission again. Today we're here at Khan Brothers Auto Services, and yeah, we're about to change some suspensions for the AE111 Levin. Bro, what kind of suspensions did you buy, man? I'll show you guys the suspensions. Can you guys see the name? Hallelujah, it's raining, girl. So bro, here instruction manual, Coilovers, max speeding rods. Yes man, bro, instructions for you. Oh yeah, since 2006, focus on performance. Ale, you need a picture here also. They sell so many stuff though. Anyway, guys, these are the suspensions. And bro, I don't know anything about it. You ordered it. Can you tell us something about it?
Sponsor max speed.
Please sponsor us.
Yeah. Sorry, dirty hands.
And there you go. Focus on performance, max speed racing. We're not sponsored, but please sponsor us.
Air suspensions. They have air suspensions. They have a turbo. Oh, they have a turbocharger.
Really? Say, bro, time to turbo this.
Yeah, high beam pistons. And you know.
Will you have camber plate with it?
It's more like it.
So you can have some camber in the front, bro. You wanna be Stan's boy? And yeah, let's get these mounted on the car. Double check it for safety. Say that.
Yeah, this only happens in BrokeKids garage. Mr. Shan, he wants to show the world that he's doing it. Oh, look at that. That's leaking oil. Alright guys, the old one's out. As you can see, the left hand side is leaking, right hand side was okay. And Mr. Shane.
Oh, we went to Parvinder's house.
Yep.
This is from China.
Yep.
I thought you said you bought it from US.
Well, it's a US brand, bro. Come on, man.
Oh. Alright, bro. What's up?
Oh, yeah, the smell. Yeah, man, if you don't mind, maybe you can take off your gloves.
It's gonna get dirty anyways.
Man, what the hell?
You wanna use the new hardware or you wanna use the old one?
Doesn't matter.
Where are you holding the camera? I'm sexy, man. Bro, look at things I do for my friends. And they still don't appreciate me.
Appreciate it, man. Look at that.
I wanna put them side by side. Wait, let's check. Okay, why do I feel like your car will be lower? You can make it longer.
How?
By adjusting this. But you can adjust that later when you go for alignment.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why does it look way smaller, bro?
What does it look like?
Way smaller. Yeah, Mr. Shane is finally, what do you call this part?
Which part?
The top part.
Strut.
Yeah, the strut finally went in.
That
And
is also an knowledge, man. You just have to tighten these shoe bolts. So in case you guys don't know, quick lesson for you guys, taking out your suspensions and doing them by yourself is really easy job. Just be careful of your brake lines and your ABS sensors if you have. If not, 2 bolts down here, 3 on top, take them out and easy.
Yeah, so how much you gonna charge, bro, for this service, you know, for...
Free, man, as long as you're a broke kid, you know.
Oh, I like that answer. Yeah, Mr. Shane, strut is in. He's going for number 2. So what are your thoughts on the orange suspensions?
I mean, they're worth the price, man, what we paid for it, isn't it?
Yeah, oh man, please. Yeah, I can see a scratch.
It's fine, man. Scratching sometimes is good. The car shouldn't be so perfect, else you won't feel like scratching it.
Oh yeah. So that's the other one. That's how it looks. Orange actually is pretty flashy, not gonna lie. So yeah.
Alright guys, welcome back. Simple update for the rear side suspensions. They're pretty simple as well, just like the front ones, just that on these you have a little toe arm, whatever you call this, I'm not really sure about the term, but 14 number right here. You open this, same 2 nuts here, and a little bit headache is this rear, that the strut mount, the top of the suspension nuts are right in there, so you kind of have to take out this whole interior apart, which Mr. Holly, I've given him the job to do it because it's too hot in here, and I don't want to do that. So just waiting on him. Everything else is loose down here. Once he's done with the top, the new ones will go in. The fronts are all done, looking nice, and these are the rear. Oh yeah, look at that hard-working man. What's up, bro? Bro, I thought changing suspensions was easy, bro.
Where's the AC?
Huh?
Bro, I need the
So go get it.
The booty with the stick.
Right, guys, so right here, right now it's done from the down, and from the top our Haris boss is still tightening some few nuts so you can put back the whole speaker cover and everything. And all we gotta do is put the rims on and go for a test drive. Ale, are you excited? Bro. How are you doing, man?
I hate 2-seaters, bro.
Yeah, but I thought you loved this car, bro.
I hate 2 doors, man.
But I thought you loved this car, bro.
One eternity later.
Oh, you saw that? What's up, guys? It's a boy. Yeah, you feel me? After 1 week, we finally changed the suspension. Freaking yeah, boy. Okay, so the last video you guys saw that I was changing the back suspension. It's finally done. It has been a week. We were lazy. I can't blame Sean for it. You know, he's a very unproductive guy. What can I say? So yeah, finally it's done. I've been driving for about a week now, and I can't explain how good the feeling is. You know, changing new suspension. Not gonna lie, this is gonna be my first time ever buying and changing new suspensions in one of my cars. So yeah, just wait for the next video. We're gonna talk about how it feels and what's the update about it. So yeah, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and yeah, see you in the next video. Peace out.